The tools you'll need to install the front rack and basket are a 5mm hex wrench, a 4mm hex wrench, a 10mm open wrench, and a 13mm wrench to adjust the headlight. Start by removing the headlight. Reuse the hardware to install the bottom bracket, including using the nuts as spacers, but don't tighten everything down just yet. Install the top bracket using hardware included in the kit, and once again don't tighten it down yet. Now turn the headlight bracket and flip it over to install on the lower portion of the bracket. The headlight bracket should be angled up. Lightly tighten the headlight, center the bracket, and then tighten the hardware down. Reconnect the headlight and adjust the light as necessary. Now is a good time to tighten down the bracket mounting bolts. Now use 4 bolts and install the rack onto the bracket. Get all 4 nuts and bolts installed and started before tightening them down. If you wish to install the basket as well, simply place it on the rack, line up the mounting holes, and install the 4 bolts and washers.